Morning, World History Cardinals and Creative Writing Cardinals. Good morning. Welcome to Miss Wall's 2 classes. This is my Canvas page. Today, the only thing I want to do is just help you navigate through the course so that you can be successful and get an A at the end of this semester. So let's look at our left-hand margin first. On the left-hand margin, you have the following buttons. You have a home button, announcements, assignments, discussions, grades, people, pages, files, syllabus, quizzes, modules, conferences, and collaborations. You do have a few more things underneath, but those won't be necessarily for you. So the one thing I want to show you that you need to be familiar with is the home button, the announcements button, the assignments button, and grades. Okay? There will come a time as we get near Unit 8 that you will probably have to use modules. But for right now, home, announcements, assignments, and grades are the main thing that you will need to be aware of. So on this first page, it says, "Welcome to Miss Wall's class. We'll use the space to learn together in new and exciting ways. Read and watch all the info below to learn how to use this course." So we're going to get to know each other on the first day, and then you guys are going to do your own information. And then underneath that is going to be this video. But it leads me to these blue buttons. These blue buttons are very, very important. You should have remembered it from quarter 1 in quarter 2, but just in case you're new to Berry for semester 2, if you're new to Berry, these are the buttons that will make everything better for you. In order to join my class, you have 2 ways. You can join by pushing the live lessons link, or you can join by clicking assignments because I will have Google Meet sessions set up for you. The next thing is a blue button that says grading. Clicking that button will give you the POB policy for grades for the 2020-2021 school year. Just take the time to read over all of that. But by now, again, most of you already know how that works. So you will have access to it. Another link is Canvas navigation, which is the reason for this video. Clicking Canvas navigation or following me by this video gives you an idea of how to get to the courses that you need. So from numbers 1 through 5 will tell you how to navigate through distance learning for both you and your parent. It's a student resource, there's a calendar list, there's a to-do list, and then there is a video on how to submit for the DBQ project that was done by a student from semester 1. That will be important because with world history, you have several activities where you will have DBQs. Okay, most of those DBQ assignments are formal, but that's the winner. That's how you pass my class. Teacher information. You will need that. Teacher information just gives you an idea of what my email address is, what my office hours are, and it tells you my remind code. I have 2 different classes, so make sure you sign up for the right one. I have block 1 and 3 for World History Honors, so your code is at 8GED3H, and I have 1 class of Creative Writing Honors course, and that code is at C7EAE9. And then here is a remind code for parents only. And it is okay if parents from both world history and creative writing joins. I don't have a problem with that at all. All right, let's go back to the home page. The last thing you need to see in this video is how to get to the coursework. So you always hit the blue button that says enter here. That will pull up all the units. You have 8 units of world history, okay? These are district-made assignments. The teachers on my team, we do take the time to edit some things. So you won't have to do all of the work, but for the most part, there will be some things that you are just responsible for. So depending on the unit, you will need an agenda or notes or something to write down information in, and you will click on Unit 1. Every time you click on a unit, you'll have a topic, a lesson, and it's laid out for you. It tells you what we're going to do that day. I normally make my students write down the goal statement, and then I put the dates here so you'll have an idea of what's going on. Then you click the link to activities, and as you can see, none of this is published yet, so you don't have access to it, but you just click the next button and do whatever it tells you to do. Whatever it tells you to do is how we get through class, and we finish that task and we do next, and then work like this, activity 2. Like these assignments are usually going to be the asynchronous part, and then you're finished when you get to the tab that says lesson complete. You did it, you rock, you completed today's task, and then you return to the unit page and you're done for the day. I hope this has helped you. Like I said, as we get closer to the DBQs, we'll give you another video to show you how to do that. Thank you so much, and I look forward to meeting all of you very, very soon. Be safe, and I hope you had a great Christmas.